kitchen is that we become a commercial cafe that raises funds to help people in need, but also creates a community where people can come and volunteer. Lonely people who are isolated, people with disabilities, long-term unemployed can come in and work with people who can encourage them, love on them, give them an opportunity to learn skills, and then give them a reference to help them get work.
Students that we have coming here usually don't have any experience or skills in the field that we're going for, and as hospitality is, the #1 industry in the world, these customers of ours get to learn hands-on skills in a commercial kitchen where we can then market them to employers in the industry in the surrounding areas and hopefully sustain some employment for them.
I have watched a bit, and they've done the WH&S side of things before they went into the kitchen the first session, I think, and they learned about their theory that they were going to do. And then the next day I saw them all dressed in their black, and they looked fantastic. Learning how to cut properly, learning how the procedures of washing their hands before they cut, and then there were different stations in the kitchen with people doing different things. And Nick, the French chef, was sounding fabulous as he taught people how to cook, and then the food smelled really good as well as it was being cooked, the stir fry.
Well, this is my second week doing it, and we've been learning about diseases and everything that you can get with food, and knife skills and different types of food we can cook and everything, stuff like that. That we're making some new foods and everything next week. We're doing poached eggs and Caesar salad. I really wanted to improve my knife skills. I love it when they do the really fast chopping.
Here is quite central to the main CBD, and it's located in the industrial area. So a lot of our students sometimes don't have transport and things like that, so it's quite easy for them to get to. It's a community-based organisation, and ETC is all about community, and having our students here utilises the facilities that are here and helps us to show them to the community. We can bring employers in here to have coffee and sample their foods and things like that. So yeah, it's a really nice partnership that we've established.